pa rin kami sa Escalera Secret Garden Cafe. Napakaganda dito and sobrang sarap ng mga food. Sinisigurado namin yan sa inyo.
Yes.
Sobrang sarap ng mga food nila and yung drinks nila is satisfying. Try nyo pumunta dito. Ang ganda ng overlooking view sa morning at sa gabi.
Tsaka yung sa restaurant nila, parang may iba't ibang parts na pwede mong piliin kung
Pwede
saan
kayo
ka
dito
uupo.
mag-date as
Pwede
a couple,
group,
with family.
Friends. Kahit
Safe.
saan kayo pumuesto, maganda
Ang
yung
ganda
kanilang
ng ambience.
ambience.
Relaxing and malinis. Yun yung talagang hinahanap natin sa restaurant eh,
Yes.
diba? So if we are to rate this restaurant, yung stars,
Five stars ang pinakamataas.
5 stars ang
rating mo?
pinakamataas.
Sa
For me,
akin,
na-meet niya lahat ng expectations ko.
So,
Cleanliness,
ambience, service,
food, overall. Siyempre
overall
parang
na lang.
plus factor na lang.
Aesthetic. So, ang rating natin ay
5.
5.
Perfect.
Akala ko 6. Ay, 5.
Actually, kung pwede pang mas mataas sa 5, we highly recommend this restaurant.
Yes. And soon na-mention nila na magkakaroon sila ng meron silang VIP area.
Yes.
Na-check na namin, ang ganda din. So, hindi
Ito-try
pa
din namin
open.
yun soon.
Yeah, pero definitely magbubook kami with their VIP area.
And I
Pati yung
think,
kanilang,
sabi nila,
yeah,
they're going to have a
Parang-
hotel, an extension of their restaurant.
yes,
Katabi lang nito
where
ang
you can
restaurant.
stay.
Yes.
So,
ang
ang
ganda
nice,
ng view
ang nice
dito.
ng place.
Sana i-check.
Later sa video, sa ating YouTube channel, ipapakita natin yung buong itsura ng place.
Some of the views
Yes.
and some of the parts of this restaurant. That's it. See you
On
on
the
the next one.
one.